Okay, so welcome to this Saturday morning in Beijing, and the sun is shining, and I'm gonna eat something today and just get right into it. I've been passing by this place quite many times and I was wondering where it is. It looks very nice and I'm sure it's really cool in the evening, but here I think it's like桂兰餐馆, not sure.桂兰芳, my Chinese is not so great, but that is some chicken stuff. That is looking good. And I did some exercise before, I'm gonna show you a bit later, so I need some protein, so let's go ahead and check it out. Nice. Okay, so you can only buy a whole one, but that is looking great. A whole chicken, wow. Seems you can only buy a whole chicken here, but 54, that's great. Okay, oh, this is here. We got a whole bag, yeah, that's nice. Okay, so we got the whole chicken here. That is a lot of meat, and well, I do love meat, that is for sure. I asked if I could have half, but that was not possible, so I'm gonna eat this now. It's gonna be pretty messy, I am sure, but I got some nice sort of small gloves to put on and eat, so let's try it. Here we got this one, so you don't get too messy. Open up this crazy bag. Okay, so we got one glove on, second glove on, ready to eat. Okay, so we got the whole chicken here ready to go. Let's try it out. Now that is juicy, that's for sure. Wow, that's great. And you get this crispy skin here, let's try it. In the West we don't really eat kind of the legs and everything like this. Ooh, we got the chicken claws here. You don't exactly eat that so much in the West, but why not try it? Bones, doesn't taste that much. Interesting. I'm gonna put it down, save some space for some more meat instead. Yeah, so I like protein, so this is pretty good, that's for sure. A lot of fat also, but yeah, could be worse. Pretty barbaric, maybe you can think, but yeah, can't complain. A whole chicken. I've never done that before, that's for sure. Getting like meat everywhere. You gotta be careful so you don't drop stuff on the ground, but it's very tasty, that's for sure. Just take a look at this nice skin piece here. Very juicy, that is for sure. In the West, you normally eat kind of only the chicken breast, but here you eat everything actually, like even sometimes the bones and the cartilage. People like it. And you also have the head actually. That, ooh, that is a lot of fat. You have the whole chicken here with the head. That is typically not something I think that you see so much in the West here. The whole thing. I'm not a huge fan of eating the head and the neck here. I'm gonna save that for someone else. I think definitely struggling to finish this, and that rarely happens. It's so much protein and fat that this says, you know, how much those are filling. If you eat a lot of protein and meat instead of just like carbs. So yeah, I think I will not maybe finish everything. I even dropped some on the floor here, but almost everything. So yeah, see you say poor chicken, but I'm gonna finish up the meat here. So yeah, it's a lot of noises, cars stopping outside a popular place. Take my time and dig in, but yeah, I just wanted to share this a bit different food adventure with you guys. See you soon. Okay, so that was a lot of meat and calories, that's for sure, and I feel pretty full, I can tell you that. So not so many carbs, just a lot of protein and fat, but great after the workout. So as I mentioned, I did a bit of biking this morning, and I went to do a workout in the park. So I'm actually going to show you some clips from that, and then I'll come back here again. Okay, so good Saturday morning here in Beijing. As you maybe saw earlier, I've been out eating, but I wanted to start the day a bit more healthy and active. So I'm actually out in a park now. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to go to gyms, and most parks are closed. So there's a fence behind me, but I found this very nice spot here next to the water. I'm gonna do some exercises here on my yoga mat, as you maybe can see here in the background. And it's gonna be a bit mixed. I haven't actually been to the gym in a while, so it's not gonna be the ideal workout, but I'm just gonna show you a bit in the background. So let's get started. Definitely a good way to get the pulse up. I'm just gonna mix in a little bit of random stuff here. I think now, since I don't have weights at home, I'm probably gonna do some bit of a pulling move up next year. So let's try that out. Very nice. I think that we're gonna do some push-ups here to make sure we hit that chest. Definitely can feel my muscles. I'm not really used to this, and actually hurt my legs. Normally I'm out walking a lot, but I biked here, which was very nice, and that's actually where I put the tripod on my bike here. But it's so nice to be out in the nature. So yeah, let's move on. Oh, that one is always a good exercise to get the pulse up here, definitely. think I'm gonna try to have some resistance bands also now for the arms. Definitely can't replace the weights, but it's good if you don't have anything else. Okay, we're gonna use some resistance bands here. Just put my foot down on it here. We'll get some of the biceps activated. Whew, not as good as the gym, but better than nothing. Let's switch up the arms. You gotta do what you can with what you have. Whew, definitely feels nice. This one is also pretty good for your abs. Definitely get those abs activated, that's for sure. Something that's quite tricky to exercise is actually your shoulders when you don't have any gym equipment. When I use this resistance band and pull out like this, facing my back to you guys. Oh, yeah, hopefully most of you are back in the gyms now, but things are a bit different in China here, so yeah, you gotta use what you have to get the results done. So let's see. Maybe one more exercise and then we're ready to go. I was just setting up the camera here when I saw these cute little ducks in the background here, swimming. Yeah, I'm next to the COVID testing line in the background. A lot of people queuing after looking at me, but can't get distracted. Gonna continue with the workout. Okay, we need to get some glute action, so I'm gonna put on this one here. And definitely don't do this very much, but you can't do any squatting. You get... Looks a bit weird with these pants, that's for sure, but great to increase the resistance. Oh, definitely some glute burn. I think we're just gonna finish it up a little bit with some ab crunches and then we'll see what's up next. Yeah, I think that has to conclude the workout for now. Gonna get on the bike and we'll see you soon. Yeah, so that was a bit of my workout building up the appetite for this. So my leg has been hurting a bit. I'm walking up. I'm gonna go and grab a bike here. And actually there are quite many of these very convenient bikes you can find here in the background in China everywhere. So I'm just gonna scan out these guys, go back and take a bit of a rest and have Chinese class in like 5 hours. But just wanted to try some more local food, and I think I'm gonna do more of this because I really love food, and that's why I like to balance, exercise and being active and so on. So I might try some more like, I don't know, spicy noodles and stuff, but let me know if there's things you wanna, see or you miss because they're not in China, and we'll try that out. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut it short here today, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. So if you wanna see more of that, give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.